This coming year in 2024 for the Whiskey Off-Road, they've made a little change to the course. The start is the same. You make that long climb up Copper Basin Road, the little jaunt off to your left on that kind of loose, rugged double track, and then you come back and you start climbing Thumb Butte Road, which is where I am right now on that Thumb Butte climb. Instead of going all the way up to the Sierra Prieta lookout like we've done before, where the aid station was, the old course is you would go there, you would jump up on Sierra Prieta and start your first descent down Sierra Prieta to, I think it's called 9401J. It's a double track, real loose, real bouldery. We've always just referred to it as Head Injury Hill. So that's been cut out, those two sections. You don't climb all the way up to the lookout anymore. Instead, about halfway up Thumb Butte, there's a trail off to the right that's called Sparrow. It's listed as a blue, but it's got some rocky sections and some switchbacks that may cause people to delay and maybe get off their bikes. So Sparrow runs for 1 or 2 miles and it joins to Potts Creek, and Potts Creek connects to what we're used to as part of the whiskey course, how it's been in previous years. Working our way down to Thumb Butte and then up and over to the segments of Spence Basin, Firewater, and Willy Nilly. So I'm just going to show you the new parts for this year, which is the Sparrow and beginning of Potts Creek. Building a new trail system in here. We'll cross it up here. I'm guessing that's why the Forest Service is back here today. This is kind of a tricky area. It's going to be looser on race day, I'm sure. And then this as well. You know, I got a few lines here. Here's our trail crossing for the new system that's going on. I've not ridden it. Talked to someone that's hiked that loop, and they say it just kind of loops around the Sparrow and Sierra Prieta area. A couple mile long, I think is what it said.
You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids, they're growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always, they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling them wrong. You got me like, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling them wrong. Hey. quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong.
Shoot my ear pods out of my ears. So bouncy, all these rocks. All right. Ooh. I don't know how you would hit that. I'll give you a different view. Let's just go straight off maybe there. Drop off like that up here, but you have an alternate route to the left. Point it out when I get there. On Sparrow now, we haven't crossed over the pots yet. This is only the second time I've done this trail, so that would have been easy enough to pop over. Thanks for letting me stop for that. Bypass here to the left and that big pile of rocks. Might as well show it to you while we're here. Trees, the long line off that would be bad. I think if you stay to our left and your right, if you're coming down, it's not too bad. time and just practice getting over this stuff.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
Less than a mile from this point, we rejoin the Whiskey Off-Road course that we've all loved.
And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Turning back, I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so what? You're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack.
like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions, each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got